Hey traders, it's Danielle. Welcome to the free video. So I'm going to be talking about Apple today. Apple has been a little bit sloppy. However, with the breakout that we're seeing in the Nasdaq and the current setup in Apple, I think that there is a good possibility that this could make a run into earnings, break out above the 50 simple, and a short dated trade here. So if you look at Apple, you can see that the last really 3 quarters, 3 quarters away, had a good short dated run. Prior to that, it was a little bit flat here, and then last quarter, once it pulled back, it actually ran. But if you remember the run into earnings, it's all about looking for a pullback prior to the report. You can't really just buy it on the highs. It's not going to work very well. So in Apple, we have gotten a pullback. Now this pullback held at the 100 simple, and with this pullback, we've gotten a squeeze, and the vol's actually dropping today, at least the past couple days. And right now we're up against a key area of resistance. Now I don't normally like to buy right up against resistance, but that's just kind of what charts look like this month, unless there are a few of the relative strength winners. And if you look at last time, Apple was underneath resistance. Look what it did. So it had a squeeze with the resistance. You had the red, yellow, green, bright green, boom, off it went. Quarter before that, same thing. It was underneath the resistance, broke out, off it went. So I'm actually looking for the same type of thing. Now, we don't have a ton of time on this just because, the earnings report's on the 28th. Today's already the 18th. But I think there's still plenty of time to trade it. So because Apple's only a $146 stock at this moment in time, the long calls are pretty affordable here. So I think that would be the best thing to do to trade the potential move in price, in addition to ideally a vol expansion. So looking at the October 29th series, and we go down, look at some Delta 70s. Those are going to run you about $5. I think the Delta 50s are fine as well, but we're just going to have to see how the market trades. Ideally, what you'll get is the same kind of pattern, right? You go up against the 50, you can see that dark green candle, and then ideally tomorrow we get a bright green one, and then it's off to the races. So I would buy it here. If it pulled back a little bit more, I would still buy it, like let's say 143. If it broke out, that would be great confirmation. It would, however, be a worse entry. So, you either get confirmation with worse entry or no confirmation with a better entry. So take your pick. Other than that, I own the shares, been adding into the shares for a while. And I think it's looking pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Other than that, I will see you in the next one.
Hey traders, it's Danielle here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you will never miss the latest take from our trading experts. Did you know that we provide real-time trade alerts so that you know exactly what we're doing, exactly when we're doing it? Go to www.simplertrading.com to learn more. Good trading, and we'll see you in the next video.